A sustainable future through the power of water. We are thrilled to announce the successful installation and testing of a hydro turbine in a canal at Belagodu Reservoir located in Kurnool district. This marks a significant milestone for the Sunplower propeller as power generator in water, a step towards providing clean, renewable energy to farmers and local communities through the power of flowing water. This was done with all the support from people of nearby Banaka-charla village, Mr. AVN Reddy and Mrs. Jayasudha. By harnessing the power of nearby flowing canals and rivers, we're bringing a reliable and sustainable energy source right to the fields. This energy will help support local agriculture, improve livelihoods, and reduce dependence on non-renewable resources. The Sunplower propeller demonstrates the immense potential of small-scale hydroelectric power in remote locations, powering microgrids, turning flowing water into energy. By integrating this technology into local infrastructure, we are helping promote energy independence and rural development. With each successful step, we move closer to a future powered by clean, renewable energy with the water that surrounds us. As we continue to innovate and develop sustainable energy solutions, we're excited to keep you updated on our progress. Together, we are energizing a sustainable future, driving the world by harvesting the ultimate source with Sunplower propeller.